This video is not gonna be sugarcoating for you, my brown ladies out there. This video is gonna be so real and so truth bombing. So, if you have a strong mindset and strong will, then hear me out. Otherwise, you can skip this video, it's okay. This video is not gonna be the skincare tutorial, not gonna be the makeup tutorial, but the reality of brown skin, or as a brown woman myself. I'm just like you. I'm just like you. I totally understand and relate to you. Sometimes I also do feel insecure about my skin, insecure about my dark circles. Right now, I have no filter on, no makeup on, nothing on my face. This is my bare skin. I have dark circles, I have dark knuckles, I have some dark spots, and that's okay. We are humans. We are born to be imperfect. We are not perfect, and we don't want to be perfect. We just have to be happy. We just have to accept ourselves and keep growing, keep growing, keep doing what we love. I love to take care of my skin. I love to take care of myself. And that's where the real confidence comes in. That's what the real skincare is. Skincare is not just about the products. I am using different products, the tretinoin, the good moisturizer, sunscreen, everything I'm using. But is that give me the confidence, the real confidence within me? No. The real confidence comes with your mindset. What's your mindset? How you treat yourself? What do you think about yourself? Are you feeling beautiful in yourself? The real self, not just pretending in the world, dress beautifully and just go around, and if somebody compliments you, then you feel confident and loving. No, real confidence comes within you. Like right now, I'm very bare in front of you, and I still feel beautiful in myself because this is who I really is. This is who I am. No makeup, no skincare. This is who I am. That's where your real journey, your real growth starts. I'm not against makeup. I'm not against skincare. This channel is all about that. But this channel is all about the inner beauty, the inner skincare, the inner confidence, the inner love, the self love that a real woman, that a real brown skin woman has. That's what I want for you as well. Be real. Be in accepting mode of yourself. You are beautiful. Brown is beautiful. Everybody has a skin texture. I do have. Everybody has acne marks. Everybody. It's like, it's okay. It's very normal. I know sometimes we feel insecure about it. I also do sometimes. Sometimes feel like I'm not beautiful. Sometimes I feel like, Apurvi, this is not enough. That I should take care of my skin more. I should take care of my health more. Of course I should. Of course you should. The growth never ends, and never stop growing, never stop pampering yourself. But do not criticize yourself. Do not look down on yourself. You are your best friend. You should be your best friend. Your biggest, achiever is you. You're enough for yourself. You don't need other people. Every day, it's a homework for you. Talk to yourself for 5 minutes. Talk to your skin. Talk to your body that you are beautiful. That you are beautiful. No acne marks. Just beautiful. You are growing. You are glowing. That's what you really is. It took me 25 years to accept my skin and accept myself the way I am. And I'm gonna teach you this in next 25 videos. I know each year should take one video at least. I don't wanna teach you just the skincare and makeup. That you can learn from other YouTubers as well. I'm gonna teach you the inner beauty, how to unlock it, how to unlock the feminine side of yourself, how to really be in love with yourself and really be in that confidence with yourself. Because you can fake it, You can fake the confidence, you can fake the beauty, but the real glow that you can see on my face right now is from within me. If you make me stand in front of 10 most beautiful ladies in the world, I still feel confident in myself because I know what I bring to the table is only I can bring. Because I know that my beauty is not just about my color and my makeup and my outfit, it's all about me, my mindset, what I have learned, how I connect to my body and myself. That's where your real beauty comes in. And I want you to be in that confidence as well. Stay with me. Do subscribe this channel so that you can find my other 25 videos as well, which I'm gonna upload from tomorrow. Do stick with this channel if you really want to grow or transform yourself. If you want a one-on-one session with me, I'm gonna give you the link below. You can fill that form and connect with me online. This channel is for your growth. I do have one another channel where I'm talking about all this spirituality and manifestations and truth about societies. You can do check that link out. It's a one soul, Apurvi Pathak. You can subscribe to that channel for your mindset. Welcome. Thank you.